Homeowners and contractors, welcome to the weekly directory updates. In this video, I will share all the latest updates from directory.com. We're gonna welcome new members as well as call out new scammers. Last week, we have added 8 companies to the platform. We guarantee their work. If you hire any one of them, we promise you they will not steal your deposits, they will not ghost you. If they do, we will cover it up to $20,000. You are safe hiring these guys. Weather Seal Roofing and Gutters, Apple Roofing LLC, Modern Builders, Construction Corp, Rise Tile and Floors, Joy Services, New Home Exteriors, Superior Roofing, Weather Seal Roofing and Gutters in New Jersey, Apple Remodeling in Delaware, Modern Builders in California, Construction Corp in Clearwater, Florida, Rise Tile and Flooring in Rockwall, Texas, Joy Services in Summerville, South Carolina. Absolutely love the branding name. New Home Exteriors in Fairfax, Virginia. And the last one is Superior Roofing in Calgary, Canada. Again, welcome to Directory, guys. Homeowners, if you're watching this, it is hard. We know how hard it is to hire and find a contractor. We've done the job for these 8 companies. They pass background check, they pass credit check, they manage their money well. They are trusted to be hired. They manage at least 4.5 stars reviews online or higher. This is why we recommend them and the rest of our listings with our own money, up to $20,000 or more per project registered later after you hire them. Next one, scam alert list. Unfortunately, we had to add 5 companies to the list. The biggest one is CMR Construction and Roofing. They have multiple locations. Company is pretty much bankrupt. They're robbing Peter to pay Paul. This is why we added them to the scam alert list. We have a lot of victims. I talked to one homeowner in Florida, just one neighborhood, 11 jobs, only one of them got done. So they do have a lot of deposits. Unfortunately, they are operating like a Ponzi scheme. They're taking newer deposits, like investment money, to pay for previous debt. So they're using today's sales to pay for the jobs that they have sold 1 or 2 years ago. This is absolutely not acceptable. If we catch companies are doing it and being upside down like that, we're gonna call them out and we're gonna add them to the scam alert list. When you do that, simply latest customers gonna become your victims. I actually have here internal email, new cancellation standard operating procedure, SOP from CMR. They send it to all their sales reps. And the reason they did it is very simple. They are desperate for cash. They're over $50 million in debt. They don't know how they're gonna come out of it. They cannot raise capital. Nobody would bail them out. They are a $190 million company last year, gonna do way less this year, but they desperately need cash. So this one is a new cancellation SOP targeted to sales guys, saying that we wanted to inform you of a recent update regarding cancellations below 25%. In their contract, they have 25% cancellation fees, and we find it very unreasonable. A couple of years ago, I wouldn't have a problem with it, but today, homeowners are skeptical. They have a right to be skeptical. They don't want to give CMR money because they know that money is not well managed and their money is going to not to their project but to other projects. So if you're the homeowner affected by this, maybe we can help you connect with a good lawyer to get out of that agreement, because at this point the company is going bankrupt. It's only a matter of time when they're actually going to file the bankruptcy or how they're going to do it, but they are trying to collect 25% cancellation fees. It's actually cheaper for them to collect 25% cancellation fees instead of doing the work. Their profit margins are about 8%, maybe 9% if they do the work. But if they don't do the work and you have $100,000 check, they're collecting 25 grand for doing nothing, pretty much profit. So a lot of homeowners have concern about it and people are reaching out to us as well. That's why they made it to the scam alert list. We're gonna keep you updated what's happening with this company. If you need a recommendation for the newer contractor in that area, reach out or browse directory.com. We have plenty of recommendations. We also have another company, Always Roofing. They've been fined $3.7 million in fines by OSHA. The business owner says that OSHA is trying to have him go out of business, file bankruptcy. Same thing here. We don't know how they're going to resolve it. It's very hard to recommend a company where business owners say, I'm probably going to file bankruptcy, I cannot pay these fines. So hopefully he will work out a deal with OSHA where his business not going to be in jeopardy. He already have paid $250,000 in fines to OSHA. I don't want to take side who is right, who is wrong, but as a business who recommends contractors, we have to be confident that your deposit is safe, that the job will be done, and the company will not file bankruptcy. In this case, obviously, it's a higher risk to hire company. Next one is Ryan Roofing and Home Improvements. You can read the article on the website. They have 5 complaints, about $45,000. We have covered it earlier. Accused of taking 4 customer deposits and not doing any work in a lawsuit by a higher attorney general. Be on the lookout for this one. Another one is Ace Roofing and Construction. A lawsuit accuses contractor of not finishing work and not honoring the warranty. Same thing, you can read the article. It's 1 complaint, $35,000. Hard to recommend company like this. And the last one this week is Shingle Magic Sealer. Roofing Insights did a full story on the company. At this point, the company is still in business and they're still trying to sell their product. Product obviously does not work. A lot of dealers do not recommend it or don't want to sign up, and trying to get their money back on those claims, on those jobs that did go wrong, and now they have leaks and someone have to pay for it. If you don't know what Shingle Magic Sealer is, it's a product that costs literally more than roof replacement but works less. So you pay more money and you have a leaky roof and there is no warranty, there's no one behind the product. So that's the case here. We absolutely do not recommend. There is at least 2 complaints and way over $10,000. A lot of dealers have paid for the damages out of their pocket just to please the customers and to do what's right. That's it for scam alerts. You can report a contractor if you know someone who is openly scamming homeowners as we speak right now. It has to be active because the whole purpose of scam alert list is to create ultimate listing for the contractors who cannot be trusted today. We update it weekly, so any of the companies listed here today might make amends, might change how they operate, might pay people back and fix their reputation. We will be the first one to report it. Quick update on the credit card processing. I got a call last week from Robert Cipella, a roofing contractor in Chicago, and he complimented me saying that it was super easy this time around to update his credit card on file. Directory is a brand new business, brand new platform. Every week we are improving something, and even such a little thing like updating your credit card payment on the website has to be improved. A couple months ago, it was way longer process. You have to call us, we have to figure it out. Today, if you're the contractor and maybe your card got expired, you changed the card, you can easily log in and do it yourself. You don't have to talk to anyone, but make sure you keep your credit card updated on file so we don't remove your listing. It's $49 a month for the contractors. It's cheaper than BBB. It's better than BBB or all of our competitors. You don't pay for leads. We don't sell homeowners information. You only pay if you get jobs, but you also can do so much more with Directory. You can sell offers, use it as a marketplace. You pay small fee only after you got the job and money in your account, and it's worth way more than $49. But please keep that credit card updated, log into your account and update the credit card today if it got expired or you lost your listing. Another update is about our guarantee. You can find this table on directory.com under guarantee. You can also download it as a contractor to present it in your presentation when you pitch a job, when you go to meet the homeowners. If you like paperwork, a lot of people do. If you need something printable to give away, you can do it right now. Very simple to understand. Actually, I want to touch base on deposit protection. It became #1 reason for the homeowners to sign up. Obviously, it's just a reflection of what's happening in the marketplace. With the rise of bad contractors, more and more homeowners are skeptical who they can trust and who they can give the money as a deposit. So many people don't want to even give deposits anymore because they don't want to lose money, and I don't blame them. My good friend Dan Young just a couple of weeks ago hired garage door contractor in Iowa, gave him $10,000 deposit, and shortly after that the contractor who he hired files bankruptcy. So now Dan Young is, roofing contractor, but out of $10,000 deposit. Very, very common scenario. So if you're the contractor, this is the easiest protection to sell. This is what Directory covers. If any of our hundreds of listings steal the deposit and run away with it, we will reimburse the homeowner that deposit. So deposit protection is #1 reason homeowners are signing up today. Go to your professional dashboard, download it, present it to your homeowners, show them how you are different from the competition. And we're gonna finish today with a success story. Today's success story is Northwest Roof Maintenance. Last week I have sent them $2,000 they have earned through offers on Directorii.com. Northwest have been offering gutter cleaning, $195 deal, but they have sold 10 of them, and I have sent them $2,000. So if you're a Directorii contractor, I highly encourage you activate your offers, put them on the website, put them on your Facebook page. It works like a marketplace. You just pay us 3% on a transaction. We will process the payment. We will send you homeowners information. Very easy to understand, very easy to sell. If you are not selling small offers, it could be repairs, it could be snow removal, it could be gutter cleaning, gutter covers. If you can imagine what you can do and what can people buy, we will sell it for you. So Northwest Roof Maintenance, congrats on a couple $1,000, pretty much prepaid appointments, if you will. For those of you who have questions about how our marketplace works, please reach out to us. We'll explain it to you. You can simply go and activate it in your profile and start selling small offers. That's all I have, guys, for you for today. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next Friday.